Hopefully he lets me.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a long way down if not.
Lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles crossed in front of you. The lifeguard will give you the all clear, and you can go. Keep your hands and feet inside the slide. When you reach the bottom, move to the side and face.
You know that feeling you get sometimes when you're standing in a high place? Sudden urge to jump. I don't have it.
I've seen a little kid, like really little, go on it. I'm like, if he's been on it, I have to go. I have to go. Yeah. What's your name? Derek. Nice to meet you, dude. I'll see you at the bottom. All the best. I'm like legitimately shaking. No. I went on it. Over there, I just went. I screamed. I screamed. I went. Shaking. I know. Right, you ready? I've seen a perfect little ride.